Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another update video for the 2023 Subaru BRZ 6-speed automatic. So we are actually a little bit over 500 kilometers. We're sitting at 692 right now. So let's go ahead and go for a drive. As you guys can tell, that's the new exhaust, and I will be uploading a video on that very shortly. I think this might be the first video I upload of the car. We'll see. Now with the new exhaust under the car, you guys will be getting a separate video on the sounds from the stock and the regular exhaust, or sorry, stock and the modified exhaust. But for now, update on the 500 kilometers for this car today. It's way better than I thought it would be. So 500 kilometers, man, how's this car after 500 kilometers? That's what you're probably asking. Any problems so far, you know, anything like that? And this might be a quick update for you guys, because guess what? There are literally no problems with this car. The car is great, right? I've been loving every moment of it. 500 kilometers, you know, it's not a crazy amount of driving, but for me, I think it took about, what, 3 weeks to get here, maybe a month, because I don't really drive that much, so 500 kilometers is a big deal to me. But this car right now has no issues. Now, I know a lot of people are concerned about RTV, a lot of people are concerned about, you know, a lot of little things that are posted on forums right now about the car, and I do want to address most of those things that people are concerned about. And right now, I cannot confirm if my car has an RTV issue or not, because I have not looked in there. I have not brought this thing to an oil change yet. I'm waiting until maybe around 4,000 kilometers, and that's kind of a risk. I might split that in half. Maybe I'll take it around 2,500, but I don't want to take it too early, because I just feel like it's going to be a waste of money, a waste of time. The car drives the same. It drives fine. Right now I'm running aftermarket wheels, and I'm running an aftermarket exhaust, as I mentioned earlier. So I'm no longer running that stock setup, but the car still feels like it's a little bit the same as stock. The wheels are a bit wider, and we are running different tires, and the car is maybe 40 pounds lighter. Moving along to the little things, I mean, I've had some experience with the eyesight technology here. After 500 kilometers, you know, I didn't do anything crazy. There was one instance where it did something I didn't want it to do, and then there was another instance where it almost did something I didn't want it to do, and that I mentioned in my dislikes video, so I won't be talking too much about that. It's really not a problem, and you can also turn it off in here. Yeah, eyesight. And then we have all the options here. We have pre-collision braking, which is exactly what I don't like about it, but that's still turned on for me. Just cruising along, I mean, you know, driving in around 50 to 60-ish here, and it's comfortable. I haven't tried certain things like cruise control, which I'll probably try right now. I've never used this in my life. I have no idea how to even use it, I'll be honest with you guys. So let's say I set it, okay, I set it at 54. Okay, so that works just fine there. Yeah, that's literally my first time using cruise control on this car anyway. Seems pretty basic. If I want to raise the speed, it goes up by 1 kilometer per, you know, flick. I put it to 60, it's going 60 now. I'm gonna have to turn it off though, because I feel like it's gonna turn red. Yep. So yeah, I mean, cruise control is fine, it works. I don't really care for it though. I don't like cruise control personally. Maybe for long trips it's going to be good, but I'm not a big fan of it. I no longer need to use a cable for music. Yeah, it's very strange to me. When I first got the car, I tried everything to make sure the Bluetooth works for music, and nothing worked. But now it works. It plays the music from my phone without having to use a cable. So yeah, pretty interesting. I don't know, kind of weird. You know, cutting the video short here, there is not much to say about the car just yet. Everything that I said before in my first impressions, my review, it's all the same really. I mean, even the driving review, it's all the same. Everything just feels really good, and so far I have not yet any problem. I have not had any problems with the car, so that's the main thing, and that's the most important thing about it. And so I'm going to go ahead and take a right in here, because I'm going to have to end the video here anyways. So that's it. We're not gonna really mention much else. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Keep up to date with some BRZ content. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I will answer them, and I'll even make a separate video on the questions, depending on what they are, or if I haven't answered them already. And yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for my next videos. I have maybe about 5 more videos coming up. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.